So, eto na nga, nag-apply ka na, nag-ready ka na, natanggap ka na ng client sa Upwork. Ngayon, hindi mo alam paano mo kukunin yung sahod mo. Upwork, may dalawang klase ng contract. Yung fixed kasi, unless i-approve ni client na i-release yung payment sa inyo, hindi i-release sa inyo. At kapag hourly contract naman na nakuha ninyo, automatic kapag sinandan kayo ng offer, i-accept nyo lang yung offer, and nakalagay na rin doon kung kailan magsisimula yung contract. Now, the thing about Upwork is, meron silang wait time. I think kapag top rated ka, makukuha mo yung sahod mo following Friday. So, halimbawa, nag-work ka Monday hanggang Friday this week. Merong Saturday, Sunday na off. The following week, next Friday, makukuha mo na yung sahod mo. If kayo ay hindi top rated, makukuha niyo yung sahod is Wednesday after 2 Wednesday. So, halimbawa, let's say nag-work ako last week, Monday to Friday. Nag-off ako ng Saturday, Sunday. So this week, hindi ko pa makukuha yung sahod na yun, next week pa. Hindi kayo ganun ka-familiar dun sa cycle ng payroll ng Upwork. I-google nyo na lang, nandun din yun sa guide ng Upwork. Upwork, magse-setup ka ng payment method. So pwede mong i-connect yung iyong PayPal, pwede mong i-connect yung bank accounts mo. Check mo yung bank account mo. Pagkatapos araw na ng sahod, pag click mo ng withdraw, automatic ipapadala na yun sa bank account mo. Tapos, it only usually takes maybe, yun ba kasi minsan 4 hours, minsan 2 hours, minsan naman 12 hours. Yung ibang banks, alam ko, minsan kinabukasan pa dumadating. Pero pag click mo ng withdraw, automatic ipapadala na yun sa bank account mo. Mawi-withdraw mo na siya. Again, that's for hourly ha, kasi iba pa rin yung pag-fixed. Pag-fixed, kung wari nirelease ng certain day, meron lang ilang araw, tapos makukuha mo na yung bayad. I hope this helps. Any questions you guys have about working from home, follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!